1. Largest, longest, tallest in the world. 1. Largest island. Greenland. 2. Largest lake by surface area, Caspian Sea. 3. Longest river. Nile River. 4. Largest volcano by volume and area, Mauna Loa in Hawaii. 5. Largest canyon. Grand Canyon. 6. Largest ship ever built. Wonder of the Seas, Bahamas. 7. Largest airplane ever. Antonov AN-225. 8. Largest cruise ship. Wonder of the Seas, Bahamas. 9. Largest container ship class. MSC Irina class, Liberia. 10. Longest train. BHP Iron Ore Trains, Australia. 11. Largest tree by volume, General Sherman. 12. Tallest tree. Hyperion. 13. Largest flower. Raffles Shaw Arnold G. 14. Largest leaves. Raffia palm. 15. Largest seaweed. Giant kelp. 16. Largest country by land area, Russia. 17. Largest population. India. 18. Largest city, metro population, Tokyo. 19. Largest religion. Christianity. 20. Largest language by total speakers, English. Subscribe and follow TimTim TV for more.